contest, Mom.
What?
We're having a burp contest, Mom.
Well, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house.
I love Mom, but... the show must go on.
Bart, what did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
Watch this, the burp champion of the world.
Burp? I mean, Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
It's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And it's nauseating.
That's what I said, it's fun. I'm still the burp champion of the world. Bart, meet the new champ. Watch this. Oh, yeah?
Oh, you kids. I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops, pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad. Good one, Dad.
Cookies. Oh, don't touch those yet. Chip cookies. Oh, don't touch those yet. They're very, very hot.
Aha, no one's around. The perfect crime. No!
I hope I can trust you two not to eat those yummy chocolate chip cookies.
Go on, Maggie. Take a cookie. Aw, come on, man. Don't be a chicken. Well, if you won't commit the perfect crime, I will.
Oh, very good, Maggie. You prevented Bart from making a mess. I mean it. Don't even think about touching those scrumptious cookies.
Who's she gonna believe, huh? You or me? You can't defend yourself. You can't even talk. I'll blame it all on you. The perfect crime.
Bart!
It was fun, man. I swear it.
Oh, Bart.
Do I smell cookies? Where's the cookies?
They're all gone, the whole batch.
Somebody ate those cookies.
Did you eat the cookies, Maggie?
I think she's trying to tell us something.
Go on, Maggie.
Go on, Maggie. Go, go.
There's no perfect crime.
Kids better behave at church today.
I don't see why I have to go anyway. I'm a pagan.
Bart,
I don't want to go to church either. I'm a pagan too.
well, you're going to church so you can like it or lump it.
If I'm not mistaken, Dad, the tire just blew. Thank you, nature. What a beautiful paganistic day. Come on, Maggie, let's dance.
Grab that tire iron, boy.
We pagans would like to help you, Homer, but it's against our beliefs to soil our hands with greasy tools of sin.
Lisa, Maggie, knock that nonsense off.
It's too late, Dad.
What the hell are you talking about?
Pagan rain dance works every time. Wow, Dad, look! We're pagans!
Why, those little...
Ironically enough, Bart, this house of worship has proven to be our sanctuary. Yes, but still my pagan soul yearns to roam free. No problem. After the sermon, we'll make a run.
Kids to the world of art. It's so enriching.
I have an announcement to make. I'm bored.
Well, maybe we're all bored, Bart, but we're going to cooperate anyway.
Yeah, Bart. Oh, brother.
Now over here.
I lumber.
Bart!
Whoa, Mama.
Bart!
Wow. Now that's what I call the enriching world of art.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
try for a little dignified behavior. This is the art museum.
She's right, you little slob.
Now here we have some exquisite...
Lisa!
Well, that was close. When do we go home and watch TV?
Bart,
Careful, Dad. This thing's priceless.
the last time I take you kids to the art museum.
Don't have a cow, Dad. Yeah, Dad.
Why, you little...
Now calm down, Homer. The kids just aren't mature enough yet to appreciate fine art.
Au contraire, Mom. We find the world of art quite enriching. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking of becoming a collector.